Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you guys can publish your article blogs on a Quora website. Okay, so why I have picked this website, because you guys can know about the Quora having a great traffic source. Okay, you guys can see this website having 687.4 million total visitors, so you guys can aware about if your article going to rank on Quora SERP. You guys have to drive massive of the traffic on your website. Okay, so and you guys can see this website having 91 domain rating. So we have researched and I can see show you the mostly traffic from USA, India, UK, Canada and Australia. So if you guys can want to attract audience from that kind of country, so you guys have to publish your article in the blog and the questions on the Quora website. Okay, so if you guys are haven't created your Quora profile, so then you guys have to first you guys can create a Quora profile. It will be a this is a very simple process for the profile creation, so you guys can easily do this thing. So that's why I'm going to skip this profile creations. Okay, so you guys can see that kind of interface you guys can see. Okay, so there is option top of the right corner, you guys can see add questions and you guys can click for the arrow down button. There is option for the create post. Okay, you guys have to click this section and I have already added these things. So if you guys can want, so firstly you guys have to add your first image, article title, and then you guys have to, there is option a button, you guys can click firstly. Then you guys can see there are lots of options, you guys have to convert into h1 tag. Okay, and secondary you guys can see there is a option for the image. There you guys can click image, then you guys have to add your banner image. Okay, then after that you guys can paste your article content. You guys can, how you guys can paste your article content, firstly you guys have to copy your article on content, then you guys have to press on laptop keyboard Control Shift and V, then you guys can paste a clear format content. Okay, so first, so we can do these things, then you guys have to, then I can going to optimize my blog. Okay, so I can going to convert into bold. Okay, for the conclusion tag I'm going to convert into h1 tag. Okay, so you guys can I can going to describe about a why I have a choose a conclusion tag, a conclusion for the h1. So because conclusion, in the conclusion section we are providing the summary of this article, so that's why Google can also prefer the conclusion. If your conclusion are h1 tag, it should be going to highly preferential, highly chances to your articles can generate a semantic serp. Okay, so that's why we have to do these things. Okay, and if you guys can want, then you guys have to also add uh, you guys can tag your brand image. Okay, so now we are going to add construction services and Richmond. Construction services and Richmond, so we can going to add construction services, custom renovations, construction services and Richmond. So there we can going to add construction services in Richmond. We can add our website URL. So we have added a first backlink. Okay, company name is Richmond construction company in Richmond. Okay. Homes difference. Okay, we are office services customer construction. Glen Homes best materials successfully construction project. Information wonder about the progress. Glen Homes community dream top notch customization options. Construction project Richmond conclusion. Trusted home construction services and Richmond. There we can going to add also again. And now we have completed all the things. Okay, so if you guys can want to add something, then you guys have to also do these things. And now I'm going to click for the post button. Once you guys can click, then you guys can see the your article is published now. Okay, so and after the publish your article, you guys have to bookmark your blog. Okay, then it should be going to index easily. And also if you guys can publish your article on Quora.com, so your article it will be going to index very highly, because these website having a great crawlers budget also. Okay, so if you guys can watching till ends, if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And for the last thing, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys can want to help me something, or if I'm doing something better for your journey, so you guys can hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you guys can understand, because the only the things I'm wanting from you guys. Okay, okay, guys. So bye bye. Take care.